Hey everybody, my name is Gabby with Blue Compass RV. Are you looking for a travel trailer that has the fit, finish, and storage of a fifth wheel? Look no further than this 2024 Jayco Eagle travel trailer. Stepping inside this Eagle travel trailer, you have this great breakfast bar right here with plenty of storage all around it. You've got a really big GE fridge, which is 12 volts, so it's gonna run off your battery, which is trickle charged by that solar panel. You have an island kitchen here, which is gonna have a double stainless steel sink with a pull faucet. Behind me, there's also a pantry, which is a really big feature when you're looking for storage in the kitchen. You have a residential size microwave by GE right above your propane cooktop and your oven. At 5'2", you'll notice that I have a lot of interior height in this travel trailer. It is upgraded with higher ceilings, so for those who are taller, it's more comfortable inside. The ACs are upgraded on this unit too. You have a whisper quiet AC system, so several years back it was really loud, the fan was really loud, and you'd have to shout to hear each other. Now you can just have a normal conversation in the travel trailer and you don't have to worry about shouting. In the back, this rear living's a really nice setup. It's a couples camper really, this floor plan, but if you have 2 guests, this is a full pull-out sofa here, and then you've got these nice comfortable theater seats. You can sit on a rainy day with your partner and you can sit by the fire and watch TV, whatever you'd like to do inside your trailer. I do love the freestanding table and chairs here. You actually have a table and chairs like a residential home. It's not a booth dinette, it's not super uncomfortable, so if you need a little bit more room to sit at the table, you have an actual chair you can adjust. You can also see out to your campground, really nice, big, beautiful windows in the Eagle with the MCD roller shades that are completely blackout. One of the biggest features on this travel trailer is the J-Command system by BM Pro. So your BM Pro system, J-Command, is really huge. You can Bluetooth connect to your phone and you can run your climate, so your main AC, your second AC, heat and cooling here. You also have your motor controls, so your auto leveling jacks, your slide outs and your awnings. You can all control these from your phone. All of your lights have dimmable capabilities. It's a really big feature on this travel trailer. In this bathroom, you have an absolutely beautiful shower, which is spacious. You have an upgraded porcelain foot flush toilet. You're also gonna get this really nice wood grain looking countertop with a big sink. You have a medicine cabinet with a mirror, and there is a storage space on the left there, which also doubles as a closet in the bedroom. In the master bedroom of the Eagle, you've got a ton of closet space, giving you tons of storage for your clothing and your shoes. You have a dresser here, which is gonna give you 6 pretty big drawers for storage as well. This one is optioned with a king walk-around bed, which is gonna be super comfortable. You've got nightstands on either side and 110 outlets to charge everything you need. You've got windows on both sides, which is gonna give you a nice cross breeze for cooler weather. And there's a closet on the right side of the bed, which is prepped for a combination washer-dryer. Starting up front on this Eagle, you have an absolutely beautiful one-piece seamless fiberglass front cap with the upgraded LED lights. Super sharp, it's an automotive high gloss paint here on the front. You have upgraded 30-pound propane tanks and a tray back here for plenty of storage, extra batteries, whatever you need. The biggest upgrade on this Eagle travel trailer is actually gonna be, check this out, no power tongue jack. That's because they've upgraded this baby with landing gear similar to a fifth wheel. So putting it on and taking it off your truck is gonna be super easy. It's got auto leveling on board. It's gonna be really nice tow and setup at the campground. This Eagle travel trailer has a huge pass-through storage bay similar to its fifth wheel sister counterpart. You could fit fishing gear in here, you could fit your camping chairs, anything you want to bring with you to the campsite. You also have this battery disconnect switch, so when you put it in storage, you can just shut everything off. Moving on down the fifth wheel, you have this huge awning to hang out with your whole family while you're camping. Underneath your awning, you have JBL speakers, so you can hang out and listen to whatever music you prefer. I like country myself. You have upgraded stairs in the entryway, right, which are adjustable, and you have this really nice safety grab railing for any family member who might need help getting in and out of the trailer. This Jayco Eagle is loaded with their ultimate weather protection package called Climate Shield. From 0 degrees to 100 degrees, you can camp all year round. Let's check out the back. Every Jayco Eagle is going to come loaded with a J-port receiver hitch, and you can add an optional camp kitchen from the factory, which is going to give you a tabletop and a griddle for outside cooking. You also have an exterior shower here, which has hot and cold water, so you can rinse off the 4-legged or 2-legged campers before you head on back inside your trailer. The rear of this Jayco Eagle, they've got smart lighting, which stands for safety marker and reverse travel lighting. You have an upgraded ladder to get to the roof of your unit, which by the way has a solar panel standard for 2024, and the roof is what's called a Magnum Truss roof system. It's a patented design by Jayco, rated for 4,500 pounds. If a tree falls down on you at the campground and your family is inside, you can ensure that they will be safe with this Magnum Truss roof system. We hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough video of the 2024 Jayco Eagle travel trailer. Remember, we have over 100 locations here, Blue Compass, nationwide, and we're going to give you absolutely top dollar for your trade. We're going to give you the best sale price in the nation, and we're going to give you the most aggressive rate, term, and payment for financing, no matter your credit score. Thanks so much for watching.